devices such as this stopwatch allow us to count down from time or count up how long it has taken for something to occur. This timing device allows us to start and stop by pressing the start-stop button. If you're at 0, you'll begin a count up, tracking the time it has taken for something to occur. When you press it again, the timer will stop. You also have a place for minutes and seconds. By pressing minutes and seconds, you can take the time up to create a countdown by pressing the start-stop button.
To review the buttons real quickly, you have the start and stop button. This will count the time up or down depending on how it's set. You have minutes and seconds. You can use this to set how long you want a timer to count down. Finally, if you press the minute and second together, you are able to reset to 0 and start everything over.